We're up. It's 6:30 in the morning and आज फिर से drill repeat करेंगे. I'm gonna get a haircut today and of course I'm gonna journalize. I'm gonna read self-help. I'm gonna read technical analysis books. We're gonna sharpen our strategy and hopefully take profit trades because tomorrow and after tomorrow Saturday Sundays will be market close. So we're gonna back test. So yes, also today is gonna be a little challenging for us because we have to go to hospital as well as अपना काम भी complete करना है. So yes, let's see what happens today and I'll see you guys soon. So now it is 8:30 a.m. and काफ़ी लेट हो गया क्योंकि I got to help my mother. मैं मम्मी की हेल्प कर रहा था थोड़ी सी and हॉस्पिटल भी थोड़ी देर में जाएंगे. So now I have time and now we'll repeat a drill. I have to read one chapter of my self-help book, two chapter of my technical analysis book, and we have to journalize and we have to learn new things. So yes, this is what today looks like, and I think that there is high probability that we would not find any trades today because gold is extremely volatile. Gold आज बहुत volatile है. कल उसने all time highs जो थे हमारे 3056 लेवल वो कल उसने तोड़ा and it broke out in huge momentum. Or due to that I think that the price will not be stabilized today because we will have no important levels on our side as price keeps pushing higher and higher. So I think we are gonna only analyze the price movements today and on the other hand we just have to journalize. So yes, this is all about today. मैं आप लोगों से फिर से कहूँगा कि you should read this book, The Magic of Thinking Big, because it will improve your mindset in such a significant way that you will unlock the parts that you are not aware of. And to be honest, this is a very good book which keeps motivating me and lights a fire in my head whenever I'm gonna start my day and start doing my work. So yes, so basically today I learned that everything that you think is possible if you control your mind. Each and everything that is around you that you want to be in future. अब जो कुछ भी आप करना चाहते हैं जीवन में वो सिर्फ एक कारणवश होता है कि आपकी सोच क्या है. If you have a clear thinking in your mind that you have to do this and you will achieve this, then you are gonna achieve this and you are gonna achieve that. This is the reality, this is the power of manifestation, and I do manifest daily and I've been manifesting from the last few years. And trust me, I always live in a state of delusion. मैं हमेशा delusion में रहता हूँ कि मेरे पास ये होगा वो होगा, जिसकी वजह से I face a lot of criticism because your parents, your friends, they all just think that you are thinking too much and that is not the reality. But आपको पता है कि आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है and you are working for that, and that is all that matters. Keep going hard as I am going. I will not stop until I achieve my aims. I want to make a lot of money through trading. I will succeed in trading. I'll clear multiple funded accounts. I'll make huge amounts of money. I'll buy multiple cars. One of them will be Lamborghini Huracan. That is my dream car. And I manifest it so badly that I even think that I am currently sitting in it. And I'm making this video. And और मेरे पास मल्टीपल मैंशंस होंगे. आई विल लिव इन पुएर्तो रिको टू बी एग्जैक्ट. मुझे बाहर रहना है बिकॉज इंडिया इज़ नॉट सूटेबल फॉर us like people, and I want to have the highest standard of living. I want to do whatever I want and whenever I want because I am a man that embraces hardships. अगर आपने मेहनत नहीं करी तो आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आप मेहनत करोगे तो सब कुछ मिलेगा. And I am going to share this my inspiring journey with you guys and hopefully motivate you also. So yes, my first task of the day is complete. Now we'll do the journalizing thing and we'll look for setups and then we'll improve our technical analysis. So yes, let's see what happens. So here as you can clearly see that is a 30-minute time frame. We lost a trade, one trade just right here because we targeted till here and we got stopped out due to this candle, and then we took another trade at the all-time highs just right here, because we thought that this candle has caused an imbalance which has to be cured and price have to move in a significant way. आपको ये imbalance का concept बहुत जल्दी समझ में आएगा अगर आप continuously trading करते रहेंगे, तो आपके खुद दिमाग में ऐसे concept पड़ जाएंगे. तो ये मैंने यहाँ पे ट्रेड लिया क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि ये इम्बैलेंस है एंड इम्बैलेंस हैज़ टू बी क्योर्ड, एंड द नियरेस्ट लिक्विडिटी दैट इज़ अवेलेबल फॉर क्योरिंग द इम्बैलेंस एट दीज swing highs that are lows now. So my first take profit was just right here at 6%, sorry 7%. My second take profit was just below this week's at 9%, and my one take profit was at just right here, which is highly unexpected to reach because प्राइस अब ऑल टाइम हाइज ब्रेक करता ही और यहाँ पर आने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता. तो यहाँ पर आई लॉस्ट, सो आई टुक आउट 8K by TP on which I made what approximately $500, and we lost 100 because this TP was not hit and I took out it just right here. And as you can see, the price did fake out little down. It went above the level and grabbed liquidity from this all-time high level, so that this level that was a resistance previous on, or what was जो पहले all-time high था जो कि resistance था, now it is converted as a support and price gained support from it and went extremely down, and there was a consolidation. I thought कि अगर इस high से price reject करता है नीचे and this neckline को break करता है, तो we could have taken and trade from here till price here, and but still it is going up, so we do not have any particular setups. So this is what the move that we missed and your breakout retest and went up scenario, but still I'll be looking for more stabilized setups when the price gets stabilized. So yes, this is what the current scenario looks like, and we'll see what happens. वी आर स्टिल जर्नलाइजिंग, और अभी बहुत टाइम लगेगा जर्नलाइज करने में, क्योंकि मेरे अंदर एक आदत है कि मैं एक एक चीज़ लिखता हूँ, हिंदी में भी लिखता हूँ, इंग्लिश में भी लिखता हूँ, ताकि एक भी कॉन्सेप्ट मेरे दिमाग से मिस ना हो जाए. एंड दिस थिंग इज़ ये बचपन से ही है मेरे साथ. क्या तो मैं पूरा लिखता हूँ, चाहे हिंदी में हो इंग्लिश में हो. तो यस, अभी ये करना है. एक कल की जो प्रीवियस डे में जो रात में हमने ली थी एक ट्रेड, उसकी जर्नलाइजिंग दिखनी है पूरी. And yes, then journalizing will be complete, and the price as expected is pushing to new all-time highs, and कोई सीमा नहीं है प्राइस के, भी खींचे जा रहा है. Now it is at $3081.6 level, and I'm thinking to capture the bearish move when the price will move to the downside to grab some liquidity. To move, if he wants to move to the upside more. So yes, I'll be keeping my eyes on the bearish move. Currently price is going upside, so हम अभी ट्रेड नहीं कर सकते. एंड अगर मुझे कुछ बेरिश सिग्नल दिखता है तभी I'll execute a position with minimal stop loss, because all time highs पे ट्रेड लेने का कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं होता, क्योंकि they are very less probability. And yes, so I'll be writing more and more things down while watching the chart. So yes guys, we just executed a trade that filled all of our expectations, and what I wanted you to see, I wanted you to see a bearish signal. I wanted to see a good bearish close followed by a good bearish momentum in the next candle, and I got exactly that what I wanted. And I executed a trade with a minimal stop loss, and we could have easily taken what you can say 1:5 reward ratio. तो बहुत ही अच्छी ट्रेड है, and I think I'm gonna show you guys to to see what I'm thinking and why did I took this trade. Although it is very risky, it is at the important level, but I think that the bearish momentum will kick in and that will give us a good amount, that will give us a good opportunity to just take profits. And I may be wrong also this time, but let's see what happens. I think from my mind I have a good feeling that this is gonna work. And yes, let me show you guys. So here, as you can see, that we broke out this all-time highs. Previous all-time high, to be honest, that was 3056 level. And I was hoping to see and double top formation just right here in order to grab a little liquidity from this point or to this point. But we failed in that scenario, and I'm very happy that I didn't take the trade, that I didn't took the trade just on the basis of that thing, and wait for the confirmation. And now, as we can see, that there was a bearish candle close just above these bullish candle close. That is a kind of what you can say an evening star pattern. And also on the second candle, we are seeing a bearish momentum. So yes, my stop loss is just above this candle on the investing candle at 2%, and my first take profit is 5% just right here, because price could basically move up after getting liquidity from this level. And my next is at 6% at here, and my last it at 10 sorry, it is just at 10% just right here, and another one is at 12% just right here. So yes, this is my analogy, and I am expecting what a bearish move from here to at least these lows, to at least this area, in order to grab liquidity, and maximum towards this level or this level. So yes, let's see what happens, and I'm gonna update you guys. Currently we are going good, price is showing bearish momentum. While watching the trade do its thing, because I'm confident with my entry, I take sharp entries with minimal stop losses. So I am pretty confident, and I feel comforted when I take this trade. So हम अपना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे जब तक ये ट्रेड ट्रेल होगी. We'll do analysis and we'll complete work on the same time. It's I've been sitting here since 8 in the morning, and now it's 1:10 to be precise. And calculated, I think it's been 5 hour constant working, and we have to work till the evening, I think, because in this field you have to learn constantly. And अगर एक चीज़ दिमाग में पड़ जाए तो फिर निकलती नहीं, फिर आप करते ही चले जाते हैं. So that is what I am also following. So yes, I will let the price tail and do its thing, and I hope that it favors us in a prediction. And until then, I'll complete my generalizing. So here, as you can clearly see, that the price has literally performed very well, exactly at from our expectation, and our TP is just right at here, 5%. And I think that the price is gonna hit it soon enough, and we're gonna hold it to see what happens. Let me show you at the 5-minute time frame on which I invested upon. As you can see, I invested clearly just right time. My stop loss was above here, this candle, and we also had a double top formation just right here, and price is very greatly going to the downside towards this level. And we're gonna soon hit 5% profit mark. Then we're gonna hit what another 5%. We're gonna hit this mark of 6%, and if I am right, then we could even hit this 10% mark. So yes, this is for today, and let's see what happens. Currently price is very near our 5% TP, and I expect it to hit pretty soon enough. So yes, I'll update you guys about this position. And अभी जो हमारा चल रहा है हम उसे कंप्लीट करते हैं और काम करते रहते हैं. दिस पोजीशन इज गोना ट्रेल, and I sincerely expect it could possibly gain more liquidity, and I mean it can possibly move more to the downside, hitting even our 10% mark. So yes, let's see what happens. Yes, and I'll update you guys about this position. And just like that, people, We hit our first TP. We hit our first TP of 5%. We just made a profit of 5%, of which I am extremely happy about. We're gonna hit another TP of 5%. Woo, man, this is what it's all about. Very good. I'm extremely happy. We just captured 5% live, and we hit another 5%. Now I'm heading for 6% just right here, because at this position at the 3070 level, there is a good amount of liquidity from which we could possibly expect a bull move. So yes, I'm gonna take two of my trades out as 6% if possible. And yes, we're gonna trail my stops in positive now. My stops would be at plus 2% respectively. And yes, and I'll update you guys more about this trade. Bam, see what a beautiful move we have captured. क्या beautiful move capture करा है हमने, and we are 5.8% profit, and we are very near hitting a 6% profit mark just right here. That is done. So I'm gonna take out my two of the trades at 6%. I don't want to be greedy. My god, it's just pushing. I'm so happy and feel blessed that I just took this trade out, and as you can see, we have made a decent profit, 5566. We have approximately made what, around $400, and we are now in 7% profit. 7% profit, man, I cannot believe that. I see yourself, this is what your consistent training gives you, and this is what is going to make me rich one day, and I'm going to live my dream life just by doing this. Within just a matter of 30 minutes, we made $400 approximately. We had another $150 if we want to close this right now, but I am hoping that it would go approximately around 10%. I would take this out at 10%. So let's see what happens. I'm so happy. So this big move was captured. I am in approximately 8% of profit currently, and I am thinking that I should pull it out, because I've already made a decent amount of profit. I have $150 in it, so I could have easily made approximately $600 in 30 minutes. But I think that I should hold it up, because I've already made 450, and we have a take profit at plus 3% just above these highs. And also I'm predicting that price could as it has shown a good momentum from upside, could easily hit our 10% profit. So we are gonna be just holding it, and we're gonna let it trail, and let's see what happens while completing our work. So yes, I'm extremely happy. This is how you capture moves. My risk on this trade was approximately just 1.2% or 1.3% approximately, and we have already made 6%. That was of approximately 1.4 is to reward ratio, and if we hit this 10%, then it would have then we would hit approximately a 1:6 is to reward ratio. This is what happens, guys, when you follow a strategy and have patience, and that's what we do. Let's go. So yes, everyone, at 2 o'clock I went for eating my lunch. I ate my lunch, I looked for trade, and then I slept a little, and I woke up. So yes, I'm very happy that I captured the 6% trades and 5% trades to my take profit. But let me show you what the trade looks like. Here you can clearly see that. So what happened, basically I shorted just right here after this doji candle or the indecision candle pop out, and I captured the whole move within 30 minutes. We made 6%, as you can see. We make 6%, 6%, 5% and 5%. And my last TP for price was approximately till here, because I think that here will be the another pile of liquidity available. यहाँ थोड़ी सी और liquidity होगी जिसके से प्राइस ऊपर जा सकता है. तो यहाँ मेरा 10% का टेक प्रॉफिट था, जो कि मैं छोड़ के गया था जब मैं 8% प्रॉफिट में था, तो कि मैं कैप्चर कर सकता था, बट मैंने नहीं करा, क्योंकि आई बिलीव कि वो 10 तक जाता है और हम अपना प्लान फॉलो करना है कुछ भी हो जाए. तो आई ट्रेल्ड माई टीपी, जो मेरा -2% में था, उसके बाद मैंने 1% कर दिया जब मैं प्रॉफिट में था. उसके बाद मैंने उसको इसके बाद +3% में ट्रेल कर दिया था, ताकि इफ़ द प्राइस रिएक्ट्स इन अ अपोजिट वे दैट आई बिलीव, देन I would end up in profit only. So that is what happened. I trailed my stop at plus 3%, and it was taken out by myself plus 3%. So I'm extremely happy that I captured the move. This was a risky move because ये all time highs है और यहाँ हमें trade नहीं करना चाहिए, but just on the basis of simple the simple candle, this becomes an important level that could trigger possibly a big move. So I captured it at the right time only and made good amount of profit. So we are done for the day. We are up somewhat around 400, no not no, no not even no somewhat around $500 we are up today, because it is 98 126 plus 52, approximately $500 up for the day. And this is how I'm gonna change my life. And now we'll do the rest of the thing. Then I think we're gonna read technical analysis book, and let's move on for the day. I just cannot explain this to you guys, but the worst time of my life that I think is whenever I go to the college, because on the start of my life I have been a decent student. I have never failed in any class. I have always been above average. I have always scored good marks. But trust me, I always think that there is a thought at the back of my head that college is not for me. That is a total time waste. And I even get chills when I think of that situation. I am a guy that do not break easily, but just sitting in that shitty place for 10 hours straight, from the morning till the evening, it's just like an absolute nightmare for me. I would rather die instead of just sitting in that place, and that is the worst time. I just want to trade all day and make YouTube videos. I just have two things, that is first going to the gym in order to improve my health, second is doing trading for money, and third is just YouTube. So these are the three things that I want to follow only, and I wanted to do these three things for the rest of my life, and that's why I am here. Currently मेरे family में थोड़ी problem भी चल रही है, but I never go to the college very often because I think that it is a complete waste of time, and any day I go there I feel extremely depressed. I just want to make videos and trade and go to the gym only, and this is what I want to do rest of my life, and make huge ton of money so that I can live wherever I want and however I want. So yes, this is my manifestation, and this is what I'll do forever. So yes, let's see what happens in our future, and each and every day counts. तो मेहनत करते रहेंगे, आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे. एंड सो अब टॉपिक पे अगर आए तो अभी वीडियो एडिट करनी है आज की, जो मैं ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ उस समय. एंड ट्रेड इज़ डन, एंड ऑफ कोर्स देन वी हैव टू डू more writings. We have I have studied 2 chapters of technical analysis. I learned of dojis today, and yes, so this was for today, and let's see what happens. So yes everyone, this was all for today, and thank you for being here to watch my journey. And what we did today are the following things. सबसे पहले हमने सेल्फ हेल्प बुक पढ़ी. We read chapters that improved our mindset, and we read 2 chapters of our technical analysis book, that is the Steve Nissen, and we journalized 2 days, learned more about liquidity concept, took a profit trade, and made $500 for the day, and captured a good move. And so yes, this was, and went to the gym, and this was all about today. And I cannot wait to make a new video to show you what is gonna happen tomorrow. And yes, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.